Mild hybrid electric vehicles, MHEVs, are equipped with an auto stop on the move feature. This is a mild hybrid system that harvests and stores energy normally lost during vehicle deceleration and redeploys it to assist the engine to maximize efficiency. The auto stop on the move feature switches off the engine while the vehicle is moving if the vehicle is traveling at less than approximately 17 km per hour, 10 miles per hour, and the brake pedal is pressed. When the brake pedal is released, the engine automatically restarts. Operation of the auto stop on the move feature is indicated by a status icon in the instrument panel. To deactivate the auto stop on the move feature, press the auto stop start button.